Hello dear students, welcome again to my class. Today we will continue with the chapter 6 Untouchability and Law of Manual Scavenging. In previous chapter already we know that the Shudras, often we called the untouchables, were not allowed to come into contact with other caste and thus they lived in the isolations and undignified conditions. This constant segregation and humiliation of Shudras can be seen today in the form of manual scavenging. So, the question is, what is manual scavenging? Manual scavengers are the most oppressed section in Indian society. They are referred to by different names such as Bangis in Gujarat, Pakis in Andhra Pradesh, and Siklayars in Tamil Nadu. And these communities are invariably placed at the bottom of caste hierarchy. Various efforts and plans were initiated to liberate scavengers from social and occupational bondage. The employment of manual scavenging and construction of dry latrines Prohibition Act 1993. This act prohibits the engagement or employment of persons from manually carrying human excreta and further prohibits the construction on or maintenance of dry latrines. But ironically, in spite of having this legislation, for more than 15 years, the practice of manual scavenging is rampant in various parts of country in both the private and government establishments. According 1993, the मैनुअल स्कैवेंजर्स ऑफ लैट्रिन्स प्रोविजन एक्ट पास हो गया था बट अभी भी ये जो काम है अभी भी चल रहा है थ्रू प्राइवेट सेक्टर बोल सकते हो या पब्लिक सेक्टर ओके सो द स्कैवेंजर्स वर अपॉइंटेड इन द लोकल म्यूनिसिपल बॉडीज एज सफाई कर्मचारी but strict measures have been taken to keep away the manual disposal. The government of India has spent 6 crores in the liberation and rehabilitation of manual scavengers since the mid 1990s. In 1997, a report was published to know whether progress made by the government to uplift manual scavenger was satisfactory or unsatisfactory. गवर्नमेंट के तरफ से बहुत सारे वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम्स भी इनिशिएटेड हुआ है मेनी वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम्स हैव बीन इनिशिएटेड टू अपलिफ्ट दिस सेक्शंस एंड टू promote their integration with the rest of the society. So my dear children, that's the end for today's session. We will meet in our next class with new topics. Till then, bye. Take a very good care of yourself and happy learning.